How to fix Nest app not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Nest app not working. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Nest app. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Nest application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Nest application. You will see the Remove App option, tap on that and then tap on the Delete App option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete again. Once deleted, go ahead and reinstall the application from your App Store and open the application further and use the application, and with this your Nest app should be working just fine. So, this is how you can fix Nest app not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Chains for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.